coming here today is just such a fantastic success story. Seeing what Steph has been able to do all the way through from when she first joined our MIEE programme, taking the school all the way through to being a showcase school. It's kind of the exact vision that we had for the whole thing. That if we get a teacher like that and we can give them the skills and they will act as the driving force, this is what can happen. Walking around the school today, seeing the technology in use, seeing the students and the pupils massively engaged with their learning is something that Steph and St Andrews should be really proud of.
I was one of the founders of the Showcase Incubator programme for Turn It On, supporting schools through the Microsoft accreditation. The idea of our programme is to ensure that schools have a mentor and a guide through that process, and that they understand exactly what they need to do to make the most of what they're already doing. And that incubator programme will help them to become accredited by Microsoft as a fully fledged Showcase school. Positive outcomes of joining the Showcase Incubator programme is that you are part of a community, and that community might be the immediate community within the school. It's certain transformational in the fact that suddenly staff find that they may have been scared or they may have been anxious about using a technology, but all of a sudden they see the benefits and the positives of having that in their classroom, but also they can help their colleagues grow. It establishes a process of having digital champions with staff, but also people as digital ambassadors that can help support the staff in school. But the massive benefit is that you're also part of a global community with Microsoft, and that they all are so willing to support you and they want to share and they want to give you their experiences too.
So it's my third or fourth year as MIEE. I actually linked with Turn It On. So this is where we were offered a position to come and be trained and see about Microsoft, and that's where my passion began of what I could see we could all be doing in school. I was introduced to areas of Microsoft I hadn't heard of before, and it was really good to slowly begin to build my own knowledge. Turn It On led the MIEE training, and as I continued with my journey, they actually led the Showcase Incubator programme as well, and they've really helped support me in bringing it into the school and actually leading the training into the school with the teachers as well. As I was beginning the incubator programme, I realised it's not just a personal journey, it's as a school, and I don't just mean as staff, it's in fact the children as well. And there were some really interested children on board. Each year we will have new digital leads, and these digital leads are so knowledgeable that they're brilliant at sharing across the school, and that's why they are a digital leader. So we've had 2 boys from year 6 who go around the school constantly sharing their skills and helping others. I've been really fortunate to be in the digital lead role, but actually the team together, we've worked all of this new together. I may be the first to find out something, but then we pass it on and we all work on it together. I just want to say a big thank you to Turn It On. You started this really. It was just a dream once upon a time of, I learned about the Showcase, I've seen Showcase schools, and actually it is achievable and it is a really good journey to go on, and it's nice that we can now show our school to other people, but also still continue on the journey. There is no end to it. It continues to evolve.